Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we just hit 60 subscribers. I'm recording FYI. So, I just put people in the, giveaway wheel decide thing. So, I'm picking winner now. Okay, so let's pick the winner now. So let's see who it is. Oh, wait. Apply wheel changes. Okay. Let's try that again. Okay. Where is it? World of, one. I think it's this person. Okay. So let's give them their spike. Let's now give them their spike. Congrats. Thank you guys so much, guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for 60 subscribers. Next giveaway is 70 subscribers, and I'll be giving away, I don't know what I'll be giving away, actually. But yeah, I am actually going to be doing a mealtime now. Oh, well, okay. So yeah, thank you guys so much for subscribing. It really makes me proud, and y'all just don't subscribe. Well, that is just sad. But oh well. Okay, so let's get on to the mealtime. And it says you're evil. Well, that is great. Gym rocks. It certainly does. From Puppy 8908. Thank you for the rare doctor bag. This one is from Miss Jingles. Hello, want to hang out? Maybe one day, but I would sure love to. What would you like for the red log? Sorry. Okay, Pokemon 5767. A rare sombrero. Thank you for that. I would want to try buddying you, but I don't like buddying people on my main account. But yeah, thank you so much. And I am lagging. Let me just refresh my page, apparently. The thing I don't like about this is that soon as I give something away, they, subscribe, and it really bothers me, but it'll be fine. Okay. Let's go back to where I was. Okay. My caps is broken, so I'm sorry. Okay. Let's do this. Hello. Hi, Maggie Pie. 0103. You have a really nice look. I really like your look a lot. And, wings. Thank you so much for those wings. They are beautiful. Broadcasting green long collar giveaway. Okay. The summer ways. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Meep. A rare lion hat. Thank you so much. The summer ways again. I got a squirrel. Oh, that's really, cool. I'm sorry, I probably annoyed you. Sorry. No, you didn't annoy me. You're good. Animal Jam rocks. It certainly does. 4 links for Phantom Gauntlets. Thank you so much. Sorry, I had nothing good. Oh, it doesn't matter, Piper. You are still a great jammer. Buddy me. I would love to buddy you, but like I said, I don't buddy people on my main account. I guess my dream is thrown in the trash. Don't give up, Piper. Like, you just gotta keep on trying, so soon as you work hard, you will achieve it. Can I offer for Flower Crown and Spike? Sorry. Please, please, please accept. Really, I want this squirrel. I don't like when people beg me for items. It's just, I don't know. Big fan. Can I get an auto or a Spike? I really want a Spike. Thanks. Flower. I will see what I have, actually. Oops. Spike. I will give you this, spiked collar. That was really hard to say. There you go. Thank you for the videos. You're welcome. Rare Frankenstein mask. Thank you very much. Oh, sorry, I'm a jokester. I don't need this HD anyways. Guys, I bet I know what this is. It's a necklace. Oh. Brownie glasses. Thank you so much. LGM rocks. It certainly does. Rare lucky tuxedo. Thank you so much, Steve, the man 16. Oh wow, you actually have a really nice look. Can you give me back, please? I don't have much, please. Rare icicle horns. Yes, I will gift you back. I can gift you these. Okay, since I already have some, wait, no. Don't give up. There you go. Just inspirational quotes. Animal Jam rock from at Sushi 9. That look, it rocks. I think you already gifted me, but yeah. Pumpkin mask. Thank you so much. On to H472. Thank you so much for the tiara. Broadcasting. Okay. So, wow. Okay, Animal Jam. Right when I'm making a video, I see this. What is this? Yeah, I don't care anymore. Can you get something back? If not, it's fine. Rainbow skirts. Thank you so much, Princess GJ. Thank you so much. Animal Jam rocks. It certainly does, from Wolf Diva 14. She gifted, oh my gosh, guys. Did she really just gift that? Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I have to gift her something back. I can't believe she just gifted that. I'll gift her this rare icicle horns. Thank you so much, Wolf Diva. No, I had to buddy you. I said I don't buddy people on my main, but like, that was just really generous of her. So, Cut Kitty 10 sent a necklace. That is really spicy. Here, from Tinky Time 09. Pirate beard. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I actually do like pirate beards. Thank you so much. Animal Jam rocks. It certainly does. Cat ears. I actually think I have the whole colors. Thank you so much. Animal Jam rocks from Mickey 14. Hi, do you have any mannequins? I actually do. Yes, I do actually. Wow. Alright. Sorry, I can't talk apparently. Okay, if you can gift back, please don't have any good items. Sorry. Rare wrist watch. Thank you so much. Of course I will gift you back because I feel like a generous person. I will gift you this rare Frankenstein mask. Okay. Add or change. Okay. This one, Real Dark Buzz. Thank you for the AJ wristband. I had to do this fast apparently. Thank you. Moon necklace. Thank you so much. My list for your red long. You are offline. I'm sorry. Here, enjoy. I'm trying to get her a spike long. Oh. Well, good luck, Shadow Hunter. And thank you so much. Here, enjoy. Okay. Watermelon stand and Jamali switches for wooden floors. Sorry, no thank you. Enjoy. A necklace, thank you so much. And then another one from Enjoy. Guarding hat, thank you. I wish I had one. Close your eyes. Okay, my eyes are closed, and now I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna guess a necklace and opening in 3, 2, 1. And a violin. Thank you so much. And then this one was from Mary Cat, cause I asked for an auto since she's like the best. And wow, okay, I had to log back into Animal Jam apparently. Let's just log back in. Alright, Animal Jam, I don't care. Elves, and then from Gem 2007. Thank you for the upside down ice cream cone, and I will delete that. I'm gonna keep this since, yeah. Thank you guys so much for all of these gifts. You guys are literally the best. I hope y'all enjoy your day, and actually I will be doing another video today. So hopefully y'all enjoy this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye!